As Michael Wesch discusses in his TED Talk, our knowledge base is evolving. We need to move from being smart by knowing things personally to being smart by understanding where we need to obtain the information.
On our part. It goes on, I bring my laptop to class when I'm not working on class stuff. And this was nicely illustrated in the fact that, her IM actually popped up just as she was presenting this. I Facebooked through most of my classes, and these last two actually present something else to us, a new sort of disruption in the classroom, and that is that there is something in the air. There's literally something in the air. It's in the air all around us, and most of us can access it from at least one device that's on us right now, if not multiple devices. Our students are the same way. And what's in the air is nearly the entire body of human knowledge. It's the digital artifacts of about 2 billion people on the planet connecting and sharing and collaborating. And if you could picture it, it might look something like this. It's like the new media landscape. But this is really just the beginning, because we're headed towards ubiquitous computing, communication, ubiquitous information on unlimited speed about everything, everywhere, from anywhere, on all kinds of devices. And this makes it ridiculously easy to connect, organize, share, collect, collaborate, and publish. And
it's in our best interest as educators to move beyond rote memorization, as failure to do so is failing our students. Similar to Michael Wesch, we can see links with John Seely Brown and Richard Adler when they consider going beyond textbook learning and looking past the tip of the iceberg of information to having the skills to decipher the information and determine what holds importance and why. And we can see in the initial one, we're talking about knowing things which are just the tip of the iceberg, and then reversing it and learning how to understand where the information is coming from and what's important. And this brings us to George Siemens' work on connectivism and the half-life of knowledge. Historically speaking, someone could go into an educational institution, learn their skills, gain their knowledge, and have that profession for the entirety of their career. What we're experiencing currently is that people can go get educated, have a career, and then have to either learn new skills along the way in order to maintain that career, or they'll just move on into a new evolved type of career with additional learning. This also goes into Parvan Arora's discussion that all of these former ideas are imperative and connected, because we don't even have the language to teach the kids today about the jobs that they will have.